Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker mac and cheese. So I partnered with Jarlsberg Cheese to bring you this video. You can find Jarlsberg Cheese at your local supermarkets. I've personally used their cheese before in my salads and sweet recipes. The cheese has a nutty, buttery flavor with a little bit of tang that goes with everything. I can't wait to show you how I used it to make my mac and cheese recipe, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my Jarlsberg cheese here. They sent me different kinds. I have the block cheese. The cheese is really high quality. They have the snack cheese and they also have it in slices. So I'm going to start by grating my Jarlsberg cheese. I'm just using the block cheese in today's recipe. And since the cheese is right off the block, it's really fresh and it has a lot of good flavor. And I really like the texture of the cheese. It's very soft, smooth, and silky. It's not dry or crumbly at all compared to other cheeses. Once you have all your cheese grated, you're going to set that aside. Ooh, that's a lot of cheese. Then you're going to grab your slow cooker and dump some dry elbow pasta right into that. Next, you're going to add some milk. I'm using a mixture of half and half and whole milk. I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. I am also tossing in some butter. Then I'm going to dump my grated Jarlsberg cheese right into that. Last, we're going to add some spices. So in this bowl, I have some salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic and onion powder, and dried mustard. Drop those all in there. Then you're going to mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, place the lid on. Then you're going to let this slow cook for 3 hours. Midway through the cooking time, you want to go and stir everything together. And here is the finished product. It smells so good, you guys. I seriously can't wait to dig in. Look at all that ooey gooey goodness. And I can smell the flavor of the Jarlsberg cheese. It's really mild and buttery. I like that. Time for the taste test. You guys will love the cheese. It's really good, very buttery. It has a nutty flavor. If you would like to make this recipe, make sure you pick up Jarlsberg cheese at your local supermarket. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.